It was the 1960s. I was a hippie. I was living in the San Francisco Bay Area.
66, will be 67 in May. The life before retirement was as a federal spokesperson for a criminal justice agency in Washington, D.C.
The new career I started at 61 years old. I sent my photos out to like 100 modeling agencies all over the world. And I actually picked up 3 modeling agencies.
I am a career counselor and executive coach.
My life was one of being on 24-hour a day call 365 days a year.
It feels tragic to me to hear about people who are miserable and are willing to tolerate that feeling of being miserable for so long.
Just to wait for retirement, you mean?
Yeah.
As I said, doing my retirement party to people who were asking me why I was retiring, I said, for once in your life, you get to do what it is that you want to do.
I feel like I'm just getting started. It doesn't make any sense to me to retire. I think purpose is a huge part of keeping people young.
My drumming instructor is teaching me how to drum better. The same private lessons that a 13-year-old would take.
When I was young, I thought that all these little meaningless things were exceedingly important. Age gives you perspective. It gives you wisdom.
Like, my age is definitely an advantage. Like, what women do not realize their value. We have so much to offer, and we have so much inspiration to give.
Far more knowledgeable now and familiar with options and ideas than I was 10 or 15 or 20 years ago.
If somebody pointed a gun to my head and said, you've got to go back to being a teenager, or I pull the trigger, I would, without hesitancy, I would say pull the trigger. The idea of starting over again and learning what I know now and getting the education and working low-income job, why would anybody ever go back to that?
Do I have enough saved? And if not, my thinking is, well, why not find something that you really love to do that you would do beyond when you were expecting to retire?
Now, we all have arthritis. We all have problems with our backs, but that doesn't stop anybody from doing what it is that they want to do.
I feel like something great is going to happen, and I'm not sure what it is. I'm ready for it.